Hi all, welcome back to EcoStocker. Here we are to analyze some breakout stocks as well as some stocks for the swing trades. First one is DreamFox. It comes under aerospace and defense sector. As we can see in chart, the stock has started its downward trend from 800 levels. Before 3 months, the stock was trading at a level of 800. As we can see here, with a huge red candle, the stock has come up to 500 level. Then the stock was consolidating at 500 levels. Now in last week, a bullish green candle has formed. In next week, if it is break this 570 level, at least with a daily basis candle, then there is a possibility for moving upwards. The stock is currently trading at 561. Last week, last 2 days, last 2 trading sessions, the stock has come up to these levels. If this breakout is happening in next week, we can keep a target up to 650. I mean in short term, we can keep up to 650 as first target. We can keep 530 as the stop loss. In last some months, defense sector was performing very well. Now DreamFox last quarter result was comparatively better to the previous one. The next one is ONGC. As we can see here, in last week the ONGC has a breakout from 196. The stock is currently trading at 196 range. It is coming back for the retest. Now we can keep in ONGC we can keep the first target as 210 and the second one is 230. After breaking this 196 level, it has gone up to 203. Then it came last week itself, it came back to 196. So if we are getting a pullback from here, then it can move up to 210 as first target in short term. If you are keeping for long term, 230 is the second target, and we can keep 170 levels as the stop loss levels. If it is going below the 170 levels, our stop loss will hit. If it is getting a pullback from this 190 levels, we can move up to 210. Next one is Pidilite Industries. It comes under diversified chemical sector. See, the stock was trading in downward direction inside a parallel line structure. Now the stock has got breakout from this parallel line structure. Now the stock is at 2510. In chemical sector, it is a very good stock. We can keep the target as 2750 and we can put stop loss in 2250 or 2280 level. We can keep the stop loss. As we can see in chart, before the stock has reversed from 2200 level. Now it is trying to get reversed from these levels. Okay. Next one is Ashok Leyland. In Ashok Leyland also we are getting similar structure like Pidilite Industries. The stock was moving in downward direction inside a parallel line structure. The stock has got a breakout from this parallel line structure in last week. The stock has good support at 165 range. Now the stock is currently trading at 174. So we can keep the first target as 185 range. We can keep 10 rupees. We can keep as first target. Then 190 range as second target. 195. It has a 52-week high at 195 level. So we can keep 195 as the second target. And it has a good support at 165, so we can keep 165 range as 165 to 160 as the stop loss level. We can maintain the stop loss level at 165 to 160 range. If we are taking in daily time frame, after the breakout, we can see here the stock hasn't moved much, so we can expect in coming sessions the movement after the breakout. As we can see here, 185 we can set as the first target and 195 as the second target and 160 to 165 as the stop loss level. 160 as a good support, and it is trying to rebound from 160 level. So we can keep 160 as the stop loss level. Then we are moving to the next stock. Next one is Sun Pharma. As we can see here, Sun Pharma is currently trading at 1200 level. It is exactly at 1194. Before in 2015, it has come up to these levels. So we can say it is near a breakout level. In next week, in coming sessions, if it is break these 1200 level, then we can expect a move up to 3 to 4%. As always, we are keeping 3 to 4 percentage as the target for the breakout stocks. At least in daily frame, a closing candle should form like this above this level, then only we can say the breakout, and we can keep 3 to 4 percentage as the target for the breakout stocks. Okay, and we can keep around 1150 as the stop loss level. 1000, oh, okay, sorry, can keep 1140 as the stop loss level for this stock. Next one is Welspun India. It comes under the textile sector. Welspun also has a similar structure like Sun Pharma. Now it is currently trading at 163. It has a last week high of 169. If 169 level breaks in next week in coming sessions, at least with a 1 day candle should close the 169 level. In daily basis, at least one candle should close above this level, then we can say a breakout in the stock. We can keep up to similarly 3 to 4 percentage also in this Welspun India also. 150 as the good support for this stock, so we can keep 150 as the stop loss for this stock. The breakout, we can say only the 170 in 170 level. See, at least like this in a daily time frame, the stock has to cross 170 like this, so only we can say the breakout. Then we can expect 3 to 4 percentage targeting, always like in breakout stocks, and 150 as the stop loss for the stock. So these are the stocks for the coming sessions, like breakout stocks also we discussed, and some stocks for the swing trades. You can keep it in watch list. Whenever the opportunity comes, you can take the positions in these stocks.